Hello student, I am going to start a new chapter number 9, where is it? Sequence and series, AP, GP. There are two concepts in this chapter. AP, already you know in 10th class, chapter 5. You know that sequence. What is sequence? Sequence containing finite number of terms. Sequence containing finite term of term, that is called finite sequence. And if the sequence containing infinite number of term, then that is called infinite sequence. Clear? This is called sequence. For example, you know 4, 6, 8, 10. This is called sequence. And can you tell me what is series? The expression of this, when we write this 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, this expression is called series. Associated with a given sequence. The series is finite or infinite according to the sequence. Clear? And in series we use symbol, that is sigma. This is called sigma. The name of this symbol is sigma. Sigma means, that is sum. Sigma means summation. Sigma means summation. Sigma means sum of all the term. Clear? So in exercise first 9.1, this type of question, 9.1 exercise. You know that question number 1, an, that is equal to n into n plus 2. Write the first 5 term of the sequence. First 5 term, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. If you want to find a1, then put n is equal to 1 here. That is 1 into 3. Answer is 3. If you want to find second term in a2, then put n is equal to 2 here. 2 into 2 plus 2. That is 2 into 2 plus 2, 4. 8. Similarly, you can find a3. A3 means third term. 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 3 are 15. Similarly, you can find fourth term. Put n is equal to 4 here. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 for the 24. 6 for the 24. Similarly, you can find a fifth. 5 plus 2. That is 5 into 7, 35. Here. Just put the value. If you put here 1, then you will get first term. If you put here 2, then you will get second term. Clear? This is the first question. Now, second question. Question number first, second, third, fourth. 1 to 6 question, same. No problem. Second question. n plus 1. n plus 1. Find a1, put 1 upon 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. When you put 2, that is 2 by 3. When you put 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. Simple. Similarly, question number 5th, an is equal to minus 1 to the power n plus 1 minus 1 to the power n minus 1 and 5 to the power n plus 1. 5 to the power n plus 1. Firstly, find a1. a1 means put n is equal to 1. This is 5 to the power 1 plus 1, 2. With the minus 1 to the power 0, 1. There is 25. The result is 25. Correct? A2. A2 means put n is equal to 2. Put A2 minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 and 5 to the power 2 plus 1 minus 1 to the power 1, that is minus 1, 5 to the power 3, that is 125. The answer is 125. Correct? Similarly, you can solve other term. A3, put here minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 and 5 to the power 3 plus 1 minus 1 to the power 2, here 5 to the power 4, that is 1. 5 to the power 4, 625. 625 is the answer. Similarly, you can find A4, A5. Question number 7 to 10. Find the indicated term only. Question number 7. An is equal to 4n minus 3. Find A17 and A24. Find A17 and A24. You want to find 17th term, to put here 17. 4 into 17 minus 3. 17 for the correct. And A24, put here 24. 24 for the 96 minus 3, that is 93. Simple question. You can find 7, question number 7, 8, 9, 10. All are simple. Question number 9. An is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 n cube, and find ninth from only. Ninth means put n is equal to 9. Minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1 and 9 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 8, 9 to the power 3, 9 9 is 81, 7 to 9. The 7 to 9 is answer. 7 to 9. Clear? Similarly, you can solve 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th. Question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. Write first 5 terms of each of the sequence. In question number 11, A1 is given 3 and An is equal to thrice an minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than 1, for all n greater than 1. Correct? This is question number 11. Find first 5 term. A1 already know. This is valid for n greater than 1. Put n is equal to 2 here. Put n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2. And you know that A1, what is the value of A1? Value of A1 is 3. Put here 3 plus 2, that is 9 plus 2, 11. Now you want to find A3, third term. Put n is equal to 3 here. Put n is equal to 3. 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2. And A2, you know, A2 means second term. A2, that is 11. 11, 3 are 33 plus 2, 35. A4, when you put here, A3 plus 2, 3. A3 means 35. 35, 3 are 105, 105 plus 2, 107. A5, 3, A4 plus 2. A4, you know, 107 plus 2. 3 into 107. 321. 321. That is 23. This is the solution of question number 11. Twelve and 13 as it is. Now I solve question number 14. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to 1. An is equal to An minus 1 plus An minus 2, n greater than 2. Find A n plus 1 upon An for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now first second term we know, first term second term we know 1. Put here n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. 3 minus 1, 2. And 3 minus 2, 1. And you know that A1, A2 both term, you know, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. A4, when you put here 4, A3 plus A2. A3, you know, A3 means third term, that is 2 plus 1, 3. A4, A5, A4 plus A3. A4, you know, 3. A4, 3 and A3, you know, 2, that is 5. And A6, A5 plus A4. A5, 5, A4, 3, 8. Right? And you want to find this. Put n is equal to 1 here. A2 by A1. Put n is equal to 2 here. A3 by A2. A4 by A3. A5 by A4. And A6 by A5. Correct? A2 by A1, that is 1 by 1, that is 1. A3 is, you know, 2, 2 by 1, that is 2. A4, you know, A4. A4 is 3, 3 by 2. A5, 5 by 3. And A6, you know, 8. 8 by 5. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Revise this exercise. This is basic exercise of sequence and series. Clear? Thank you.